It's 9:04 on our Wednesday. Lucy is live with us. If you love chicken salad, you're going to want to stick around because Lucy's making 3 different types.
We're excited. I'm wondering if I need to eat more chicken salad because currently I don't eat very much chicken salad at all.
I know. I was just asking Joe if he's a chicken salad fan. I had just getting a vibe that he wasn't.
I don't know.
Well,
I really don't eat much. I don't know why. It just never is like, today's the day for chicken salad.
Is it a southern thing or do they eat it like in Wisconsin?
Right.
I never really had it growing up, like
well,
ever.
Here's your chance to try 3 different kinds.
Yes, three different kinds. And then I'll know which one I want to go with.
You know, if you'll like savory, a little sweet in there, or a little spicy in there.
Okay.
So I thought it'd be fun to share 3 different chicken salads. Down here, Joe's chicken salad is definitely a staple, and it's just good. And I like to do it, you know, a lot of different ways.
You're fixing to make some chicken salad over yonder?
Make some, yes. And we have, you know, different shortcuts you could take. But the best way that I think to do it is to either use, you have a couple options on chicken. Of course, you know, I love to use rotisserie chicken. So you can certainly get rotisserie chicken and do that. What I did, and it's definitely the most economical way to do it, is to get split chicken breast that still has the bone in and the skin on. They're very inexpensive, and as we, after we coat them in olive oil and a little bit of salt and pepper and bake them, they stay so moist.
Okay.
And so that's what I did here. So I used 2 in each bowl, and it came out to about 4 cups of chicken. So on our classic one, and this is the way we make it at the store. It's so funny. Chelsea just said it again. We sell a lot of chicken salad, and at least a couple of times a week, whenever I run into people, they say, I love your chicken salad. And my best friend Rachel is obsessed with it, and she said, are you gonna let loose the secret on TV? I was like, there's no secret. I've told you, it's just chicken and celery and salt and pepper and mayonnaise. So I have 4 cups of chicken and 1 cup of celery that I just finely chopped. That was 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and just a cup of mayo.
Sounds more exciting if we're on the air. Lucy, let's loose her chicken salad recipe.
I'm like, she's like, I thought it was green onions. I was like, if someone's putting green onions in it, they're in big trouble. So anyway, this is it. And so this is our classic one.
That's it? There's no cheese?
No, I was just getting ready because later we're going to make a ranch, jalapeno, bacon, and cheddar one.
Okay.
I think you're going to like that one.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, and then we're also going to do our classic, but we're going to add pecans and grapes to it. So I think you're going to like the 3rd one.
All right. I think I'm going to go 1, 2, 3
in
preference. I don't know though. I don't know. Today's the day. We're going to find out. It's Joe's Exploratory Chicken Salad Day here with Lucy from Greer's. Lucy, shopping at Greer's is easy. You can do it in a lot of different ways, whether you're pick it up, ordering to go, or in store, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We have delivery options too. So especially now that people are planning vacations, people that come down to the island every year or to the beach, they place their order online, and we have it ready for them, either delivery or in store. So our Greer's app is free for delivery and curbside options. So definitely check us out.
Great stuff, y'all. We're going to be back with part 2 of the chicken salad trio coming up right here on Studio 10. Chelsea, you're going to have to tell us what your order is when you come over.
I think I'm the same as you. I don't know. I do love a classic chicken salad with just the celery and mayo, but I love a little spice in it. So I'm excited to try the last one.
Well, welcome back into Studio 10. We are in the kitchen once again with Lucy Greer with Greer's Markets, and she is cooking up a chicken salad trio.
Yes, we have gotten started with our classic. So we started with 4 cups of cooked chicken. We talked about, you know, rotisserie or breast or, you know, whatever you want to use, but it's 4 cups. And I like to shred it up when it's still warm. You know, you have to let it cool out of the oven, of course, until it's cool enough to handle. And a lot of people, you know, like there's different ways, but I like it when it's, you know, pretty fine. I know a lot of people like to use a hand mixer now. Have you seen that?
I haven't.
People, which I haven't even, it does make so much sense. I haven't tried that. But once they, or I've just seen people, you know, take it straight out of the oven when it's still warm and do the hand mixer in there to shred it up. But I'm kind of like, crazy
Yeah,
about
I
my chicken.
do the forks right now, and I'm like, I gotta find a better way.
And I like want to like look at every single piece of chicken. So I wouldn't really do that, but you can do that. And then, you know, or my sister puts it in the food processor. She likes hers really fine. So however you like to do it. So we did our 4 cups of chicken. We had 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of celery finely chopped, some salt and pepper. So that is our classic. And then we are now going to move on to our classic, but we're going to add grapes and pecans to it. And then later on, we talked about our jalapeno bacon ranch cheddar one, which is possibly going to be Joe's favorite. We will see.
I think me, Chelsea, and Joe all decided like I like the kick to it, but also I do like the fruit-forward chicken salads as well.
And that's what's fun, you know, about chicken salads. You can do it so many different ways. I like to do things, you know, like pimento cheese. You know, have a regular, have a spicy. You know, do kind of a base on something, and then have a few variations, especially if you're going to have a party or something, because of course everybody's taste buds are so different. So we're going to do the same thing as we did for our classic with celery, salt and pepper and mayo. I added 1/2 cup of chopped pecans in there. And I'm going to get this mixed up a little bit before I put our grapes in there, because I don't want to smush the grapes all together. And then another trick I like to do when I'm mixing up my chicken salad is with a spoon or a spatula, I kind of just press it down to even get that chicken even more just kind of smushed together. We were talking about chicken salad chick. It's funny because that's the way I've always made mine. And then when chicken salad chick came up, I was like, yes, this is exactly how I like to do it. But you know, everybody, I feel like chicken salad is one of those things like gumbo or like coleslaw. It's like everybody.
So many different variations.
Yes, a different way to do it.
And I like how you said for this one for parties too, because you're using some of the same ingredients for each flavor to where it makes it cheaper to do it that way, and you can make so much with it.
Yes, absolutely. And I was mentioning to Joe that I use split chicken breasts that have the bone in and the skin on, and it has the you know, it's just half of the chicken. So the breast still has the tenderloin piece on there, the bone in and the skin on. And it's great for chicken salad, or if you're doing pot pie or anything, or a casserole that you need to use chicken for, because it's so inexpensive. You just put it on a sheet pan, bake it in the oven, and then you have really moist chicken. You don't have to worry about it drying out as much as you would, you know, with just plain breast. So it's a great, cost-effective way to, like you said, do something for a party.
Yeah, I'm always trying to find budget-friendly ways to entertain a lot of folks.
So now,
especially something for summer too.
Oh yeah, I know, this would be great. Like you were talking about, you know, going to the beach. So just make a few different things of this up, make sandwiches, or just put it in a Tupperware, you know, pack a box of crackers and you're set. So I just have 1/2 cup of red and green grapes. So we're just gonna fold those in. Of course you can use whatever nuts or whatever fruit you like, but this is kind of my favorite one because it's just so pretty.
Awesome, so we're finished with that one.
Yes.
It looks great, love the fruit forward in that. And then when we come back, we're gonna be working on the jalapeno bacon ranch one.
Yep.
Sounds delicious. We're gonna have all of that coming up soon. Joe.
Welcome back to Studio 10. We've got Lucy and Joseph. Joe has been talking about, if you're just now joining us, he didn't grow up on chicken salad. We feel like it's more of a Southern thing. Jen's the same thing. She said she didn't really grow up on it either. You've tried the classic. You like the classic.
Delicious.
What about the fruit?
I really like it a lot.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, the classic was just mayo and salt and pepper and celery.
You like that?
Spiro likes it like that.
Really?
So then we added, oh, you're not?
No.
So we added pecans. You could do whatever nut you would like, and red and green grapes, which I like to use grapes. I mean, I like apples in there too, anything.
Right.
But those are just so pretty. The apples just kind of disappear.
What are you doing with those potatoes?
I like
Chelsea
eating.
has
Lucy said, "What are you
potato
doing?"
chips.
I like eating my chicken salad with a potato chip.
That's a good idea.
Oh, to make it healthier?
Yeah, something just a little crunchy. If it's not on, my favorite way though is on like a croissant and to eat it like a sandwich. Lucy is making another one, which I think will be your favorite. What are you doing now?
All right, so now we are doing our bacon. I added bacon. It was about 6 slices of bacon that I just cooked and crumbled. We have a 1/4 cup of jalapenos. I like to use the pickled ones out of the jar that are already diced up just because I think it has good flavor rather than using a fresh one. And then I have 1½ tablespoons of ranch seasoning packet, you know, the packet.
So good.
And then a cup of our mayo. And we started with 4 cups of chicken, again, just like we did every time.
Yeah.
And the last thing will be a cup of our shredded cheddar. So this is bacon, ranch, jalapeno, cheddar.
Here.
Oh yeah, there's some already made.
Oh.
Chelsea, that is.
I don't want it on
I
your
mean,
potato
Lay's chips are a dangerous maneuver, Chelsea. I know
They're
Joe
too
was
thin.
like, so do we eat this like on bread?
So, yeah, so
That-
you
you
say
can
you
do it
usually eat it
anyway.
on crackers?
I like it on crackers,
Yes.
personally, or, you know, little like.
My favorite way to eat it is on
Chips.
jalapeno chips, though. Oh my gosh, the perfect spice. If someone
All right,
wants
here we
to
go.
try their chicken salad, your chicken salad, they can go to Greer's. But do you have these variations?
We
there too?
we make the classic. Any store with a deli should have our classic chicken salad, and then we do a grape and pecan one, and then a cranberry and walnut. I believe that's downtown. We have a few other flavors too, but the classic is kind of the one we always have.
Yeah.
I'd like to
So-
make an announcement.
Jen,
What?
come try this one.
I like all these chicken salads.
See?
like a
Do you
lot.
want a chip or
Oh
do you
my
not want a chip?
goodness,
I won't do a
Katie,
chip.
call Katie.
Yeah.
Let her know you're a chicken salad person now.
And I like I don't know if I have a favorite.
I'm the same way.
Yeah.
I like all different ones.
You like that one?
Mm-hmm. Is that okay? Jen likes this one. And
No
I like
bacon.
this one's not, I didn't feel like it was too ranchy or too
Right.
spicy. You know, I think that those amounts just kind of gave it a lot of good flavor without being too overpowering.
I just
There's-
we just all love chicken salad.
This is like, what did I make that other time? And y'all were like doing the same
I know.
thing and y'all were spilling
The
it all.
Vultures are here, Lucy.
They're
The
here.
Vultures are
Sometimes
here.
I make something and it really just hits with the crowd.
And this is definitely it. It's perfect for summer too. It's kind of like a cooler dish if you do want to eat it for the
Yeah.
summer or a sandwich. So Lucy, thank you. Make sure you visit one of their locations. It's so good. It's so darn good.
Great
I've never
stuff.
done it with the chip. That is
Good.
good.
I like that.
That is good.
They're good.
I don't know.
I'm changing the world.
I feel like you try to feel like you're eating a little bit healthier when you're eating chicken salad. You're just ruining that
This is
concept with
full
the
of
potato
mayonnaise.
chips.
You can do baked Lays with yours.
So I used to do
That would
the
probably
flat-
be good because
Baked
it's a little
Lays-
firmer.
Actually, that would be good.
Okay.
I did the flat pretzels. That was
So
what I
good.
was
I like
That's
that.
a good one. That's a good one too. Lucy, thank you.